So you are working on your Angular or Ionic app. You connected it with your Prestashop web service, and you expect all to work well, of course. But you get this error. How to fix this? Let's find out together. Hi guys, my name is Samir, and today I'll show you how to fix cross-origin request error in your Prestashop web service. We will first check our error. It returns code of 401 and message no access control allow origin header is present on the requested resources. So what am I basically trying is to run Angular application on my local host. I'm sending request to Prestashop web service and I'm getting this error. By default, Prestashop web service allows access only from the same domain. If your script or Angular application is running from the same server as it is your Prestashop, it won't have any error. But if you are trying to run your application from localhost or mobile application, you will get this error because you will try to access Prestashop web service from other domain. The web service will reject such requests and you will get this error. Let's see how to fix this. So let's start by opening our FTP manager. Here we have our Prestashop website. Let's find web service folder and open it. We need to edit dispatcher PHP file. Let's open it in our code editor. And here we will need to define few headers, HTTP headers. So we need to add header to allow access from every domain. We will also add one header to define which HTTP methods are allowed. And also we will add one header to define which content types are allowed, also authorization header. So let's start by adding access control allow origin. We will put star so it allows access to our web service from every domain. For example, if you are working on Ionic app and you will be accessing your web service from different devices, mobile devices, you will need to add this so you can get access from every mobile phone with your application installed. Other header. So our second header is access control allow methods. Here we will list all methods which are allowed and which will be accepted by our web service. So we will add get, post, head, delete, put and options headers. After that we will add one more header definition, and this time it will be access control allow headers. We will define which headers are allowed in our requests. So here we will add content type because we will be working with different content types, for example XML or JSON. We will also add authorization and X requested with headers. So every of those headers you can put in your request and it will be accepted by web service. After you finished this, you need to save your file. You need to save your changes. online. And now we can go back to our browser, and error is gone, but we now have our products listed. So you can see product images and product description, product price. That's all for this tutorial. I hope this helped someone, because I had a hard time figuring this out on my own. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and please check my website for more interesting articles and tutorials.
And I'll go